Service. You might associate service with retail customer care, military duty, or vehicle maintenance. In the legal system, this term carries a highly specific procedural meaning. Service, often referred to as service of process, is the formal delivery of legal documents to a party involved in a lawsuit. This ensures the individual or entity is officially notified of the legal action against them. Why is this formal notification so critical? It is a fundamental requirement of due process across common law jurisdictions. A court cannot legally exercise power over a defendant until proper service has occurred. Rules for service vary significantly depending on the jurisdiction and the type of case. While personal, hand-delivered service is the gold standard, courts sometimes permit alternatives. These include sending documents by certified mail, leaving them with an adult at the defendant's residence, or even publishing a notice in a newspaper. For example, suppose a landlord decides to sue a former tenant for unpaid rent. The landlord files the lawsuit with the local court clerk. However, the case cannot proceed until a process server physically hands the summons and complaint directly to the tenant. Once that delivery is verified with an affidavit, the court formally gains jurisdiction to hear the case.